This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Tuesday, July 2nd. Stock index futures were lower in the overnight trade, but have partially recovered. This after Fed Chair Powell, speaking at the European Central Bank Forum this morning, said inflation likely has peaked. Also, the month of July historically has been an up month for both the S&P and the NASDAQ and stock index futures in general. Longer term, the fundamentals still appear to be supportive for stock index futures. Currency markets, yesterday the dollar index gapped below a support area, but was able to recover and close higher on the day. We still have the underlying bullish factor for the dollar with the flight to quality influence remaining. Also, we had two European Central Bank officials indicating that the central bank could lower interest rates again before the end of the year, barring any major negative surprises. And the Japanese yen fell to a new 38-year low as interest rates remain wide between Japan and the U.S. Still no sign of any intervention from the Bank of Japan. And in the interest rate futures markets, recent weakness linked to futures, especially at the long end, due to fears of an accelerating U.S. budget deficit. However, prices are higher across the board today in light of Fed Chair Powell's dovish unbalanced comments. Still looks like the Fed will be cutting rates at its September 18th meeting, and there's a good possibility that there will be a second rate cut later this year from the Fed, despite Fed officials indicating only one rate cut or possibly even no cuts this year from the FOMC. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.